Today you're at Deer Park Junior High witnessing the Social Life Skills class run their second sip coffee cart. So we called it the Second Sip Coffee Cart because we serve coffee to the teachers who want to participate during second period, and we know they don't always want like a full cup of coffee, so it's just a little extra sip to get their morning going. And the kids look on the piece of paper that each teacher has hanging in their window, and that's where they read the order from to figure out how the teacher likes their coffee, whether they want 2 sugars or 5 hazelnuts, and the students have learned how to make the coffee per the teacher order. And from there, after they give the coffee to the teacher, they use the iPad to charge the teacher 50 cents per cup, and then at the end of the week they learn how to create invoices for teachers who need to pay them money. So they're learning credits and debits and how to run a bank statement. So part of our coffee cart is offering these reusable cups to our loyal customers who participate in Love on Our Students, and it's just a little reminder of how much we love them and care for them. And another great aspect of this coffee cart is that it works on their social skills. So not only understanding how to appropriately enter a room with a classroom going on, but also understanding the appropriate conversation that needs to happen between a teacher and adult, and just boosting up their vocabulary of how to do greetings and goodbyes and saying thank you, and like if they request money or if they need anything for their coffee. But also the teachers get the benefit of having a nice delicious cup of coffee delivered by a smiling face. We also have our Amond Allies, our student helpers that come in and help the students prepare their coffee, so that way they're not only receiving instruction from myself, but they're also receiving instruction from their peers who they probably like to listen to more so than me.